Hey, this is Ted with Schrader Tree Farm. Today I'm going to talk about installing a living fence, so stay tuned. These trees are ready to break their bud at any minute here, so we needed to get these in the ground as quick as we could. I was waiting on a survey crew to come through to put these in. So as a buffer and to kind of block the view from the road and the neighbor here, we're going to install this living fence with some of the firs we got from last week. So what I'm doing is 4 foot off the property line, and then we're going to do a 6x6 staggered grid. So you can kind of see this one here, that this is 6 foot, and then this one's in the middle of those, that 6 foot mark. So this is like 3 foot. So you're going to kind of, when these fill out, should close the gap within a few years. So we got all of our equipment up here. I like the inverted spray can, and we're going to try the fertilizer tablets this round and just see if we can see a boost in the growth. These are like ready to break bud at any minute, so we're trying to get them in the ground as quick as we can. But we're about 3/4 of the way done. This is going to be about probably 2, maybe 2.5 rows. I think we're going to end up doing. We've got 80 trees to put in today, and this is about 60 up the hill. So hey, if you'd like to see more videos about what's going on our farm, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Schrader Tree Farms. See you in the next video.